So the boot for me is a conduit to connect to the craft that my dad so thoroughly applied himself to. I guess that's to him in some small way. It's a legacy I'm passionate about upholding, and it's also a symbol, I guess, of the bigger ethos that drives what we do. And fundamentally, the boot is our foundation, practically and metaphorically speaking, and we use it to launch into a bigger conversation and explore what is possible if we apply ourselves in the right way, with the right ethos, metrics and ethics to everything that we do. I'm Jess.
And I'm Chris.
And we are Wootten.